So now, hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. And today we are going to talk about the effects of pollution. Okay. So, like you all know, you all are aware about every day we are talking about different topics. And just I have created one playlist where you can access lots of topics. Every category of topic you can just access, and you can take the topics and you can just express your thoughts, you can just express your knowledge, express your information, or whatever you have related to that topic you can just express. Or if you don't have anything, you don't have any information about that topic, so you can just go and research about the topic, then come and speak. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the effects of pollution. So we are living in the on the earth, and the every human affected by the pollution. It may be any type of pollution, but every human is affected. It may be air pollution, water pollution, or soil pollution, which you can say like land pollution. Okay. So we are affected by all the types of pollution. So now let's first understand what is pollution. What is the definition of pollution? What we understand about the pollution. So pollution is like something like we are taking the air, we are taking the breath. If what if I say to you like our air is not fresh? If we are taking the air, if we are taking breath, and in the air there are harmful substances contaminate in our air, water, and land, which is not natural, which is not good for our health. If we are taking breath, our air is not fresh. Our lungs will be ruined. It is not good. Okay. So what we have to do now, we have to just understand what is the definition of the pollution. Then we have to understand how many types of pollution are there, and how we have to just keep healthy life, how we have to how we have to protect ourselves from the harmful things like harmful pollutions. So first, let's understand the definition. So if the waste or harmful things contaminate in water, land, or air, it is called like pollution. Pollution, unused or harmful things for our body, we are saying it pollution. Okay. So suppose in air pollution, like our air is not fresh. Why? Because in the past 10 or 20 years the air was fresh, because there was no industrialization, there was no lots of factories, there was no lots of companies were there. So because of this, our air was fresh. Like there were lots of plants, there were lots of trees, forest, gardens, everything was there in the past. So because of this, our air was fresh and clean. So how the air pollution is happening? Let's understand. Because air pollution is happening if the lots of industries are there. Okay, lots of industries are there. The harmful chemicals, they contaminate in the air, like dust or plastic waste, or constructions companies. Also all the things are just coming or in the air. Because of this, our air is not fresh. Yes. So, and the deforestation is one more issue. Like if there are no trees, what will happen? We are not going to get the fresh air, because there is no air, because there is no tree. We are just cutting the trees, so we are not going to get the fresh air. So all these are the reasons why the air is not fresh, why the air is not clean, due to all these reasons. This was the first pollution. Like with this pollution, our lungs are not going to work properly. And let's talk about the second type of pollution. Second type of pollution is like water pollution. Yes. So water pollution means like the harmful or bad substances contaminate in water. So it becomes water pollution because our water is not clean. Our water is not fresh. Our water is not good to consume. Why we are not taking uh, drinking the water from the tap? We are purchasing the water because our water is not clean, our water is not good, so we are purchasing the water and we are drinking that water because health is everything. We have to focus on our health. If we are not going to focus, we will be hospitalized. Okay. So water pollution because of the industries, because of the harmful or waste materials, they contaminate in the water and water becomes polluted. So this was the second category of the pollution. And let's talk about the third category, which is about the land pollution. Yes, uh, you can say also say like the soil pollution. So it is like our land, our soil. From there, we are just taking the agriculture. We are giving the seeds and we are uh, getting the crops. Okay, like species, spices, or wheat, corn, everything which we are just getting from the land. So our land, our soil is also not good. It is also not fresh. If it is not fresh, how we can get the food fresh? How we can get the fresh food if our soil is not fresh? Think about it. So these are the three main categories of pollution, which is air pollution, which we are breathing, and water pollution, which we are drinking, and the soil pollution. We are not getting the best or fresh food from the soil because our soil is polluted. And what is the reason behind it? Because of the plastic. Yes, because of the industries, because of the waste materials. You also remember like government banned the plastic because the plastic is very harmful for the land, for the water, because it is not going to just dissolve in the water, in the soil. So the government has banned, like we have to use the paper bags because plastic is not good for the human society, for the soil, for our earth. Okay. So now this was the topic of the effects of pollution. So now I hope you understand the topic. So every day we are talking about different topics. You have to just be connected with me and you are going to learn lots of things. So thanks for today.